Hi everyone, I'm wearing a cape called Andalusia. So last year we released the pattern Andalusia in Dream Yarn, but this is made with our Mohair So Soft. So Mohair So Soft is blended with Mohair and what is it? Merino. So it's very soft and light, and the colors are all vibrant and beautiful and very warm too. So it's like a feather kind of thing. It's very light, and it covers your shoulders and neck, and it's just the right amount of yarn, and it's very fast because the mohair is so soft. It's very thick mohair, probably thickest mohair out there, but it's not like vintage mohair. It itches you. This is very soft, and we have a beautiful color. So this is perfect to cover up your shoulders, and the lengths are not too long, so you can still move around your arm, cleaning, conducting, knitting. And so we have, like I said, we have a dream version. So mohair, it tends to shed. So if you don't like shedding, this is not for you, but it's so soft you don't even care the shedding. I don't care, but I will try other colors. I'll be right back. And good news is we just made a free tutorial video from beginning to end. It's totally free. You can watch on our YouTube. So I mean, you can use any type of yarn. It doesn't have to be mohair or our dream yarn. It can be any. So if you are afraid to make a shawl like this, you have never knitted before, don't be afraid. We're gonna show you step by step from beginning to end. You learn how easy and fast you can make it. So check out our YouTube. It's same as Loopy Mango, and learn and make it and enjoy it.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.